Hey, welcome back. Call me Ismail. Here are the top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch this week. The US Core Personal Consumption Expenditure PCE Index increased 0.5% in May, below market estimation of 0.6%. However, when compared year to year, the PCE Index surged 3.4%, recording its largest gain since 1991. While the US Federal Reserve expects inflation to be transitory, analysts at BofA differ in their estimation. The bank anticipates US inflation to remain high, in the 2 to 4% range, for the next 2 to 4 years, and believe the Fed will hike rates in the next 6 months, bearing a financial market crash. If inflation remains elevated, investors are likely to focus on Bitcoin to hedge their portfolios. A CoinShares report published on June 21st said it was unsure of inflation in the next 5 years, but believed adding Bitcoin and other real assets as prudent measures to protect portfolios from tall risk out of control inflations. Although near-term risks remain, select cryptocurrency could offer short-term trading opportunities to traders. During the bear phase, traders may focus on booking profit at regular intervals instead of waiting on windfall rallies. Let's study the chart of the top 5 cryptocurrencies that may turn short-term bullish in the next few days.
Yes. He did it. He bought. He went all in. Dump it.
At number 1 we have the king of all coin, Bitcoin. Bitcoin dropped to $28,000 to $31,000 support zone on June 26, but the positive sign is that the bulls again bought this dip. This suggests that buyers are accumulating at lower levels. At number 2 we have Cardano, ADA. Coming in at number 3 is Sol, Solana. Numero 4 es MATIC Network. And last but not least, KLAY. That's my time. Peace.